So to start this project off, what I bought were some of these 2-inch casters, rated to hold 400 pounds as a pair, a 1.75-inch U-bolt with a shackle bracket. Now to fit on the parking stand, they're a little bit long, so I'll have to cut them down. First one's like that. So measured from the bottom to the top of the U. Let me try that again. That's going to be close enough to 2.8 inches. As you can see, they'll have to be bent just a little bit to go together. I've already done this one. And one more thing I have to do is to open up these holes here so they will line up. Just like that. I've already got the first one done. And that's what we're going for. So I've marked the area I have to cut off on this next one. It's important to put the nuts on first. And snug them up at the end so they don't roll back out while I'm cutting this off. And the point is, when I'm done, I'll be able to unwind the nuts and straighten the threads back up. I'll also have to use the vise to bend this into shape just a little bit. Perfect. Now I just have to do that 4 more times and you'll have a whole set. One step I have to do on the saddle bracket is to open up these holes just a little bit. I've already done it on this one. Now this might be the wrong tool to use, but it's the only one I've got, and it worked all right. That'll work. Hey, at the moment I've got the new wheels under the loader stand, and then I put a furniture dolly under the bucket. And it looks like I may need to change the angle just a little bit to make these work better on the ground. Surprisingly, not as heavy as I thought. Much better. I got caught on dirt on this floor. I need to clean it up a little bit. Well, I actually found that more difficult to put back together with the wheels, so Maybe I've got to come up with a different idea. Well, if anyone has any other ideas how I could improve this, uh, leave a comment. Let me know. I'd like to revisit this. I think there's potential here. Thanks for watching, everyone.